What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Guy's Garage. Just like in last week's video, I said I was going to show you guys the Tahoe that the Ellis is going to be going into. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead right here in the part of the screen up here. There's going to be a little icon or a link. You go ahead and hit that. You can check out the first video. But here's the Tahoe. Now before we get into the Tahoe, sorry for the wind. Let's try to block it a little bit. Before we get into the Tahoe, I did the math, went ahead and I got on the old internet and I started looking at prices on parts that we're going to need for the LS. It's going to be over $600 just for the parts. That's not even including the cam yet. So I think the smartest idea to do is, since this isn't going to be boost or anything, I just want to put like a mild cam in it so it sounds pretty aggressive. I think what we're going to do is we're going to go to the local pick and pull and we're going to pull a like a 4.8 or a 5.3 and then go that route. And that way we don't have to get into the engine. We'll just make sure that it rotates, you know, like it should. And we'll just put it, you know, just stash it right in here. So anyways, this is a 99 Tahoe. This has the 5.7 in it. So it's technically, holy fucking bee nest. Wow. Okay. There's lots of bees in there. So we're not gonna pop the hood right now. That sucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this door. Now they're coming out. So unfortunately, there's probably gonna be a lot of bees in the mirror cooler and a lot of bees in this. But this is the Tahoe. It has a 5.7 in it. The whole engine block and everything is torn apart, right? Or not the engine block, but the heads are off, I guess, or something like that, because something happened and it destroyed the cylinders in the engine. Oh, there's fucking bees everywhere, man. I'm not trying to get stung for this video. I just wanted to show you guys a little walk around of the Tahoe. One thing about this country stuff is there are bees literally everywhere, and I don't understand how or why. But see, here's the Tahoe again. Got a little bit of rust obviously in there. It wasn't like that. It was actually pretty clean. But it's got some sort of like wheels. Tires look to be in good shape, even though they're probably flat or it could be sunk into the ground. I don't know. This thing's been parked for a year. We got a Guy's Garage Stay Different, and then we got the split hatch doors, so they kind of open up like a barn door or whatever you want to call it. Or not a barn door, but I don't know how you explain it, but it has that. All leather interior. This thing was like fully loaded for its year. And yeah, so I know it's a very short video, but at least you guys can now have a visual idea of what we're going to be doing the building. And I think this thing is going to be sweet. It's a little rough, like I said, but it's perfect. That's my style. I don't like well, I mean, I like brand new stuff, but I don't want to work on something brand new. I wouldn't mind LS swapping this. Doing what else with it, I don't know, but we're definitely probably taking it on the road. And I'm going to end this video now because I don't know how well the sound is even picking up, because it's a stupid video here. So, I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you guys can watch and follow this build. Plus, any other builds about the big brewer, BMW stuff, Honda stuff, truck stuff. I got a lot of stuff going on my channel, so you can go ahead, hit my profile, go through the videos, and check out some stuff that you guys like. Don't forget to get entered in for the radio giveaway, and you guys stay different. Give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget about our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Here is a brand new, never used, in the box, doubled-in car stereo with GPS, subwoofer outputs, and even a rear backup camera. Comes with everything, free of charge to you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, take a screenshot of it or a picture if you're using your TV, and send it over to _Guy's Garage on Instagram. And then at 5,000 subscribers, one of you lucky ones will be chosen at random, and then you get to enjoy a brand new doubled-in car radio from Guy's Garage. So enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe.